Right, let me just tidy up my workstation a bit. Now, our Xbox X controller, the right thumbstick, has stopped working. It's broken. Seems to me something's come off on the inside, or something may be broken. Now, in order to open it, there isn't any visible screws or anything, so what you have to do is take off these two plastic panels, one on this side and one on this side, which I've already taken off. So I do have plastic panel pullers, but as my knee is broken, I'm not very mobile, so I'm just going to use a small flat-headed screwdriver. You put it in and twist like so, and those snaps that you hear are the clips coming off there. And once you have it open like that, you can just pry it off. There we go. So let's put that to one side. Now, these have got 4 screws which need to come off. Now, the screws, if you get in on them closely, are security Torx headed screws. So that's a Torx bit with a hole in the center. Now, this is a project which I would have completed a couple of days ago, but I had to order the Torx bits, the security Torx bits, sorry. Now, I could have jerry-rigged a solution, but I don't like doing that. I like to have the right tool for the job. And as these are magnetic, it makes it convenient. So I like to sit with somewhere where I can put things and not lose them. Let me take off the other one here. Got it turned down to the minimum setting because you don't want too much torque. And then you have one under the label here in the center. If you feel, you can feel a suspicious circular dent here, which I've already taken off. Nope, I've put it back in, sorry. So let's take that off. Again. There we go. Aha. Here we find the culprit. This has come off. See? It just goes in on it like that. Put that back in the center. Pop this back in place. Sorry, a bit fumbles McThumb. There we go. Let's close that back up. Let me just check that. Yep, it comes back. And that is how we repair that. Now let's pop everything back in place. So it's probably easiest if you put this one back in first. Then, because it's centrally located, it holds it together in place. And it makes it easier to do the other ones. And one done, and the final one to go in will be this one here. And then we can pop the covers back on. If I can find what I've done with it.
Okay.
So put the final panel back on. There we go. Let's put the battery back on. I upgraded to rechargeable batteries, which comes with the caps with the hole in it, so that you can recharge it on the docking station. And that, ladies and gents, is how you take apart an Xbox Series X and S wireless controller that has the right thumbstick that was flopping about uselessly due to it having come off on the inside. It's an easy fix. Didn't have to replace the thumbsticks, just needed to be put back on. But if you do find on the inside that it's broken, you can actually pick these up fairly cheaply off of eBay or Amazon and replace it with a thumbstick. I didn't need to have it replaced. It had just disconnected. So, thanks for watching.